What's up, world? This is your boy Nick from Tobe Tech, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and installation of the PlayStation Disc Drive, and we got the PS5 Pro. So I'm going to be installing the disc drive, unboxing the disc drive, and show you what's in the box, and then showing you how to install it on this PlayStation Pro. I guess we're going to figure out together. So if you don't know, it's been a time trying to get this right here. This thing has been sold out. This thing has been in the hands of scalpers. This thing has been all over the world, except for in a store and in a consumer's home. So I finally got my hands on this, as PlayStation Direct has restocked these recently. So if you've seen this video and you're still looking for one, go to PlayStation Direct. I had also ordered one from Amazon. I was lucky enough to order one from Amazon, but their shipping was like, we're gonna sell it to you, but we're not gonna ship it to for like 2 to 6 weeks. So I was like, I'll take that over anything. So, but once I got this came in like 2 days. So yeah, here it is. So without further ado, it has the seal on it. Can you see the seal? Yeah, baby, I finally got the disc drive, man. Cause God almighty, man, I am an old gamer and I like to play disc. I like digital, the convenience of digital, but owning this is just something I do. I can't go back. I can't be fully digital. So whenever these consoles go fully digital, I'll be fully out because I can't really do that. I can't support that. But anyway, that's another topic. So without further ado, here we go. We got the trusty knife right here. Break open the seal right there, and it's broken. Can't send this back. But here we go. So what's in the box? Open it up. Of course, Sony, they love to do this with a box inside of a box. So I don't know why they like to do that. But anyway, just give me a box, man. Why you gotta give me a box inside of a box? But that's the box inside of a box. So I'm gonna put this right here so you can see that. And then we're gonna open this thing right here. Drum roll, please. I came all this way and I can't open the box. So here we go. I don't know what that was. It fell out. Oh, the little legs. This, of course, they put them at the top so they fall out and you don't know what they are and you throw them somewhere. But these are the legs, the little feet. So yeah, that's that. If you want to lay your console horizontal instead of putting it vertical. So, but here you go. This right here is the faceplate. So you got the white faceplate to match the faceplate on that. Oh my God, I am excited, so excited. Without further ado, here's the disc drive. So I don't know why they couldn't include this with the console. We're running out, man. That's another reason I can't fully support fully digital, because I believe that Sony did this on purpose, where they did not have these in stock. So yeah, but anyway, here we are. And there you have the connector. So I'm gonna show you where to put that in a second, but this is the disc drive, and this is basically all you get. There's some boxes in here, or some literature in here. Other than that, health and safety, nothing else is in the box. So that's all you get. Put these over here. Oh, it comes with installation instructions, right? I guess if I read the instructions, I can figure out how to do this. So, all right, we're gonna lay this on the side. Make sure it's the right side. Apply some pressure right here. Shut, pop up. There we go. And that pops off. Bam, bam. And this right here, you got 2 clips right here. And you're gonna put these right here in this. Push that down like that. And really that's it. I thought it, oh, I was about to say I thought it clicked into place or something. There you go. Now it's in there. Now I have a disc drive. Oh my God, I've been trying to get one of these for so long, man. And this right here is the opposite way. So clips right here, put these clips right here. And this thing will forever be transformed because I have a disc drive. There we go. There we go. Oh my God. Now let's go boot it up and see what we get. All right, guys, I'm back. So I got the PlayStation 5 Pro back installed. So I'm going to turn it on and we're going to walk through the steps of what it takes to get this thing up and running. And we're going to run some discs, man. I'm excited about it. I got to wait for it to boot up. TV slow. Any day now. Now it comes on. I don't know what's going on with this, but yeah, this is like the slowest ever it has ever booted up. Maybe because I got the disc drive installed now. It's like, wait a minute, hey, you weren't here before. What are you doing here, buddy? We were all digital before. What you coming through here talking about you're gonna install some discs or something like that? You know what I'm saying? But here it goes. That popped up. You see it? It says disc drive. Your disc drive is connected to your PS5. To use your disc drive, register it to your PS5. You're gonna click OK. Bam. And it's doing it. You can now use your disc drive with your PS5. To safely remove your disc drive, make sure you first turn it off. Your PS5, unplug the power cord. Remove your disc drive while the PS5 is in rest mode. May cause data issues, loss, corruption, all that stuff, and damage. So we don't want to take it off while the thing is still running. Basically, power it off. But if you're ever going to sell your PS5 or your PS5 Pro, I would recommend taking that disc drive off and sell that sold separately because you paid separately for it. It didn't come with the device. So, yeah, here we are. So now, oh my gosh, it's starting up. I got a disc drive. And you got the 30th, oh my God, the 30th anniversary startup, chime, meme, whatever you want to call this thing, splash screen, logo is right here, baby. We got it. All right, here we go. Joy, let me hold them discs that's on that table right there for me. Here we go. I got my little assistant helping me. We're going to put a disc drive in here. Let me see what games I got on here first. I don't know what games. Oh, man. I think I let her see a disc she wasn't supposed to see. A game that she's going to want to play in a second. But here we go. Thank you. All right. So let's see what we got installed. I already got that installed. But it's waiting for the disc. See, I couldn't even play that game because I didn't have the freaking disc drive. So now I got the disc drive. I can finally play Alan Wake 2. What else? I got
Ghostbusters?
Yeah, that's the headset though. Ghostbusters. I got Madden. I could not play without the disc. I don't even know where the disc at. Oh, it's in the other PS5. It's still up there. I gotta go get it.
What about Patrol?
No, I'm looking for something else. Oh, so this game I got to install. So I got to install Dragon Age. Dragon Age, the Veilguard. And I don't want you giving me stuff about, I don't got these in the case because my case is somewhere I don't know. So I'm going to put this in. And it's going in. And I drop the disc. And here we go. And it's spinning. You see it spinning. And I'm back up here in the library. And there it goes. Dragon Age the Veilguard. Now it's Q for copying. And now it's going to install. So that's how you install the PS5 Pro disc drive. And that was also what was in the box. Downloads coming through. So, man, if you bought one of these, you're lucky enough to get your hands on one. I salute you, and I'll see y'all out there, man. You see the setup, man. I'm so happy now. But if you also, I got a PS5 for sale, a regular PS5. You want to buy that, go ahead and hit me up in the comment section below. I'll give you a real good deal.
No.
But, yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Sell the PS5. Do not sell the PS5.
She's like, don't sell it. All right, see y'all in the next one. Peace.